Does your car do this on startup? Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways and simple ways to take care of your issues with your vehicles. Now, today we're going to talk about that puff of smoke that you saw at the beginning of the video. If you have that in your car, 99.9% of the time, it is your valve seals. Now, I'm going to give you our concoction that works for us on that. It takes about 100 miles of driving before you see the results that you're looking for, but this flat out works. I put my reputation on it. It's another one of our secrets, and I don't care what people say about engine additives and fix it in a can and all that. This here, our concoction works, and you're going to be blown away by it. First off, you take your gum out and you pour it in your empty jug. Now, this mix miser will hold 2 ounces, and it's real simple. You need to put 5 ounces in that jug right there. You need to put in at least 6 ounces. Now, here's one of the keys to this. On your bars leak, you want to add both sides of this. This is the side here that will soften your seals up, added with all these other ingredients. But you put both of these in. Now, I suggest when you do this, you change your oil and omit 1 quart of oil. So say if you are taking 5 quarts of oil in your engine, put 4 quarts in and then this, then add in your oil to get it up to where you want on your dipstick. Now, here's one of the big secrets. And people wonder how we do this, how we've gotten their car to quit smoking on startup. Now we add, this has 2 foils on it, here for the thick side and here for the softener. You add just the softener. Now all these tools will be in the show more of the video description, so you just go there and take a look. As you see, 1 full quart. Put your cap back on. Shake it up. Dump that in your oil. Drive for about 100 miles and you'll notice that the startup smoke will be gone. Hope this helps. Make sure you set your subscription and make sure you set your notifications, because we got a boatload of secrets coming out for 2018. Glad you're here with us. Come back again. Take care, ladies and gentlemen.